In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rows in Excel. We will walk through several simple ways so you can pick the one that feels most natural to you. First, method 1, using the ribbon to insert a single row. Click any cell in the row below where you want the new row to appear. For example, if you want a new row between rows 5 and 6, click any cell in row 6. You should see the green outline around that cell so you know it is selected. Once that cell is selected, go to the Home tab. At the top of Excel, check that Home is highlighted. If you see different tabs like Insert or Data, make sure you click Home so its options appear. Now look for the Cells group in the Home tab. In that section, click Insert. A small menu will drop down, showing several insert options. This menu is where Excel decides what kind of thing you want to insert. From that menu, select Insert Sheet Rows. As soon as you click it, Excel adds a new blank row above the row you originally clicked. You will see all the rows below shift down by one, and any formulas that referred to those rows will automatically adjust. Next, method 2, using the right-click menu. Click the row number on the left to select the entire row. When you click the number, the whole row should turn a solid highlight color, confirming that the entire row is selected, not just a single cell. With that row highlighted, right-click the selected row. A context menu appears right next to your cursor, listing actions like cut, copy, and insert. This menu always relates to the exact thing you clicked. From that menu, click Insert. Excel inserts a new row directly above the row you had selected, and you will see the row numbers update, with everything below moving down. Now method 3, inserting multiple rows at once. Select the same number of existing rows as the number of rows you want to add. For example, drag across 3 row numbers to select 3 rows if you want 3 new rows. Each selected row number should be highlighted so you can clearly count them. For example, select 3 rows to insert 3 new rows. This one-to-one match is how Excel knows how many new rows to create. A common beginner mistake is selecting only one row when they actually want several, which gives just a single new row. With those rows selected, right-click one of the selected row numbers. The context menu appears, just like before, but now it will apply to all highlighted rows. Then click Insert. Excel inserts the same number of new rows above your selection, and you will see a block of blank rows appear together, ready for data. Finally, let us look at the keyboard shortcut. Select the row or rows where you want to insert new rows, again by clicking the row numbers on the left. When multiple rows are highlighted, the shortcut will insert that many rows in one go. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus. On some keyboards, you might only need Ctrl plus plus. If a small dialog appears, choose Entire Row. After you confirm, Excel immediately inserts the new row or rows above your selection, without needing any extra clicks. With all that, you have learned several fast ways to add single or multiple rows in Excel. If this helped you manage your Excel rows more easily, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more Excel tips.